Good morning, 7-11, and today is a weather alert day for the excessive heat and also the potential for some severe weather later on this afternoon and evening. Let's start off first with a look at our first alert radar. All clear for now. A couple light showers moved through early this morning, but now all dry. It's going to be later on this afternoon and evening that we start watching the radar once again. The timing for the potential for severe weather, 3 o'clock this afternoon through the evening hours, but the later it gets, the lower the risk. And we will still get more rain streaming in. You see the rain down here in our coastal waters off the coast of Charleston. That is going to move its way across right along the Grand Strand and then inland Horry County. Florence might pick up a stray shower or two. Plus, we've got this line right here moving closer to Darlington and Hartsville. I'm here in Surfside where we're seeing the core of it really starting to intensify now. The winds have been in the upper 30s to right at low 40s, sustained here for quite a while. We've also seen the dunes breached, saltwater inundation now underneath the first row of houses here in Surfside. We'll get a set of waves. A large wave will come in, crash over the dunes, and send water rushing underneath the houses. And this is why Zone A had to evacuate, because of the surge and the coastal flooding. You don't want your car parked down there. You don't want to be down there. In fact, we're about to head inside here shortly, but water now officially over the dunes in Surfside Beach. I'm First Alert meteorologist Marla Branson for WMBF News. As we go throughout your day, temperatures are going to level out in the mid-80s for the beaches and only feel like the low 90s. So yes, it is a little humid, but it's not as bad as it has been. And inland, 92, your high today for Florence, 93 in Lumberton, as well as Laurinburg this afternoon. Now, we are also getting the first look as the sun comes up of what the roads look like. Still, because it has been so windy, we're not seeing too much standing water on the roads. However, I do want to draw your attention to some of this light fog that you see starting to settle in here among the trees. The temperatures still on the warm side. We've got lots of moisture still in place, obviously, with the rain. So I will keep an eye on the fog conditions as we go throughout the next 45 minutes or so. We're starting to really see the water rise quickly. This is 3rd Avenue swashed. It was one of the first areas to fill in. Surfside actually had a backhoe down here several times, clearing out the sand leading into the swash, giving the water a nice funnel to flow into, hopefully to preserve some of the dunes. They're also kind of banking up some of that sand. Even into Bennettsville, starting to look a little bit better. Meanwhile, not looking better at all, really, for the Grand Strand. Let's put some pictures with these numbers. So a half-mile visibility for Myrtle Beach. This is what it looks like live on our Skycam. This actually right here that's 17 bypass. Occasionally you can see just faintly the headlights from a car. Tomorrow, we've got the chance for some pop-up storms starting. We could have a couple showers in the morning, but the severe threat doesn't kick in until the afternoon, between 3 and 5 for the PD. And notice how some of these storms could linger as we head into the evening. We could continue to see a little bit of rain. Now, so Friday night into Saturday morning, still dealing with some showers. Could have a couple thunderstorms through lunchtime to the early afternoon on Saturday. And then finally we dry out. So Sunday looks really nice and also a bit cooler.
Yeah, we need that.
If you're looking for dry skies, though, today's probably the day.
Today, and then once we get into the weekend.
Okay. Thank you, Marla.